Tutorial 6. Before starting, please complete the prior tutorials and review this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover the reporting screens. The reporting screens consist of email delivery statistics and open-click tracking. Reporting is provided in 4 viewpoints via the following screens: dashboard, mailing statistics, summary, and track campaign. To have more data to work with as we go through this tutorial, let us build and send another campaign message and then track both campaigns through the reporting screens. In this tutorial, we will cover the following: build a new campaign and submit, an initial snapshot of the reporting screens, the prospect's view of the campaign and the effect of prospect's actions on reporting, a snapshot of the reporting after prospect's actions. Let's go ahead and build a new campaign as shown here. Let's close the tutorial 6 screen. And before we build that new campaign, just want to highlight here that the email belonging to John Doe, because we want to, for a test for the tutorial purposes, we want this to bounce or fail. So this email address has been changed. Let's close the prospects detail screen and the search prospect screen. Open and close what we don't need. Build campaign, let's open it and create a new campaign with the name Market My New Campaign and create it. Let's go to the new campaign, click on it, and let's start building this campaign. Let's select from the message list the new message that we created recently: smart email marketing to grow your business. And the web link, although you can specify any web link, but for the purpose of tutorial, let's provide this web link. And then tell a friend page, let's turn it on, that is yes. And the contact list, let's select LinkedIn export list, the contact list. And the tag titles, let's build the custom tag titles. The web link, let's provide, click on it, click on try it free. And in the tell a friend, enter this, and in profile, how can we help? Save it. From the action, select send email and submit this campaign by clicking the submit button. At this time, all the contacts from the LinkedIn export list that we selected will receive a personalized campaign message. Let's close, build campaign. Let's look at the reporting screens now. When the campaign is submitted, reporting begins. An initial snapshot of the reporting screens after the campaign emails have gone through is as follows. Let's see the dashboard. Actually, I just clicked on the dashboard screen, so you see the 2 campaigns appearing here. And the dashboard provides the monthly statistical information snapshot of your campaigns. The outgoing email statistics section, this provides information about your email delivery service. On the right side, the campaign summary for the month provides information about your campaigns. That means 2 campaigns created this month, contacted are 5, visits are 1 at the moment, comments or inquiries submitted is 1, and the interest level is, which that for all the campaigns is 1. And campaign summary section provides a snapshot for each campaign. That means for Market My Campaigns, this was created on 11th September, and Market My New Campaigns was created on today, 14th of September, and number of prospects visited, count number of visits so far by the prospects, number of comments or inquiries made by your prospects or customers, and based on the business intelligence that the system has provided, how many have been marked interested by you as a user by the prospects. Now let's look at the mailing statistics screen under the mail management. Let's click on it. This provides you the email delivery service statistical information broken down by the time period and also the sender email. The details include the number of emails sent and successfully delivered, and also if any failures were there, these would have come under bounced and the deferred. The bounced is a hard email failure. That means, for example, the email may not exist, and the deferred is someone's email quota has expired. In case of the failures, whether bounced or deferred, if there were any, by clicking on the counts, you will also be able to see the cause of each failing email, and the bounced emails are automatically excluded from future campaigns. Let's look at the summary screen. Under the outreach management, click on the summary screen. The summary screen, broken down by the time period again, provides a more elaborated information about your campaigns compared to what we saw in dashboard. Here, in addition to up to the interested level, it also provides you number of referrals received for each campaign, number of unsubscribe requests, number of successfully delivered emails for each campaign, bounced as well as deferred. In a way, it provides a side-by-side trend analysis of your campaigns so that you can compare the performance of one against another from re-engineering and re-strategizing the future campaigns, how you would want to conduct perspective. You can dynamically sort the campaigns by by campaign name, and also when they were created in an ascending or descending order. And if you have more than X number of campaigns, more than 25, you can also, it'll provide you the pagination here. The track campaign screen. Let's click on track campaign screen to view the detailed actions of the clients. This is the one which we created earlier, and this is the new campaign which we created just now. And here it provides the track campaign. Here it captures the real-time tracking of your customers' actions, their inquiries, and the time of action. At the moment, you don't see any counts because the emails have been submitted in the batch and they're in the process of going. And after that, the delivery will get updated, and when we will be working with these as prospects, we'll work on the campaign package link and so on and so forth. These counts will go up. But let me show you the one which we created earlier. Will give you an idea. Here the email was successfully delivered. We marked them interested just to refresh your memories and the counts that we had over here, So now we will go to the prospect side and perform the actions via the campaign package link in each of the emails of the recipients, and then in this new campaign see how the numbers would be changing. And here we will also kind of refer the friends and see how the friends emails and the actions are tracked and so on and so forth. Some of the information about these prospects has been updated, for example the state, just to simplify the information, and I'm just showing you the that was done through the search prospect screen, and here is the latest or the updated information about these prospects. This concludes part 1 of this tutorial 6, and the other sections we will cover in part 2 and maybe the subsequent tutorials.